Welcome to my Mini Bakes Makes, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a miniature custard packet. You'll need to download the template off myminibakes.club, and you'll also need some custard if you want to fill it, some double-sided sticky tape and a pair of scissors. So let's get to it. Download the image at the highest quality. I print on a sticker which has a shiny front, but you can use anything you want. And if you don't have double-sided sticky tape, you can use sellotape or Pritt stick. Cut out leaving this much border plus them little pink lines at the top and bottom, because we're going to fold it like this. It's better to fold now while you can match it up to these pink lines before we cut it out. Make sure you get a nice sharp crease. Using our scissors, we're now going to trim the edges. Now we're not going to trim to the very edge there, we're going to leave that flap because that's where we're going to stick the back. And then we just trim the other two sides. Once then, you can fold that flap which has stick here on. We are going to then put some double-sided sticky tape. I've designed it so that it sticks together at the back in the middle of the design, so it's pretty seamless. So once you put it together, as you can see there, the sticky tab is underneath and that will just sit on top and it'll go together seamlessly. Now I want to leave the top open, so I'm just sticking the bottom and the spine. If you want to seal the top, you put sticky tape on the top also at this point. I am using 3mm sticky tape and it is strong. You can use Pritt stick or you can actually use sellotape, whatever you have that's handy. Unpeel, and then we are going to stick down. So there, that meets exactly in the middle and sticks together nice. Tidy any unwanted bits up with a pair of scissors. And that is an open top, so I can add my custard powder. If you don't want to add your custard powder and you want to fill the inside, just use some of the scraps you used when you cut up before, fold them up, put them inside and then stick that top bit down and you'll have a little bit of bulk. You don't need to do this. If you want to use the sticky tape first, do that first, but it's up to you. But I'm going to be using custard powder for a video, so I'm literally spooning some from a large packet into my little packet. And then I'll be ready to go with my video. Excuse my hands, guys. Try and be more careful than me. And there it is, full of custard powder, ready to use for my video. So hope you like this tutorial, guys, and do stay on the website and like and subscribe for more. Thanks for joining. And if you are going to do a video, please tag me or send me photos of your finished product.